Hidden in the rain-drenched hills of Meghalaya lies India's tallest plunge waterfall, Naukalike Falls. Cascading from 1,115 feet, its emerald plunge pool and mystical mist will leave you breathless. Just minutes from Cherrapunji, now known as Sohra, Naukalike is not just a destination, it's an experience waiting to be felt.